In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for a Revolut personal loan. We'll walk through what to check first, how to prepare, how to apply in the app, and what happens after you submit. I'll also share simple tips to boost your chances without adding any extra steps. Start by checking if personal loans are available where you live. Availability varies by country and local regulations, and the option may only appear for eligible customers. Open the app, look for the loans or credit section, and see if personal loans are listed. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated and your residency information is correct in your profile. If it's still not there, it may not be available in your region or for your account at this time. Next, prepare your account and documents before applying. Ensure your identity verification in the app is fully completed and that your personal details match your documents exactly. Get your proof of income ready, such as recent payslips or bank statements, and proof of address, like a utility bill or official letter. Keep your Revolut account in good standing, regular income deposits, no suspicious activity, and responsible card use can help. If you carry other debt, lowering balances or making consistent on-time payments can strengthen your profile. Small details matter here, so double check names, addresses, and dates on your documents. But when you're ready, submit your application through the app. Go to the loan section, choose the amount and the repayment term that aligns with your budget, and review the estimated interest and total cost. Provide your employment status, monthly income, and typical expenses honestly and accurately. You may be asked to connect statements or upload documents. Make sure they're clear and recent. Pick a repayment date that lines up with your payday to reduce the risk of missed payments. Before you tap submit, take a moment to review everything for typos or inconsistencies. After submission, the review and disbursement process begins. Some decisions are instant, while others take longer if additional checks are required. Keep an eye on app notifications and respond quickly to any requests. If approved, read the loan agreement carefully. Look at the APR fees, repayment schedule, early repayment options, and any cooling off period. Once you accept, funds are typically sent directly to your Revolut balance. Set up automatic repayments and make sure there's enough money in your account a day before the due date. If you're declined, wait before reapplying and use any feedback to improve your profile. That's it. Clear steps to move from checking availability to receiving funds confidently and responsibly.